Getting help on a helpline can ironically be a long and difficult thing. At Dr. Rajat's clinic, we specially maintain a helpline that caters to our patients' needs with the least amount of wait time. We have done away with middlemen and medical tourism agents who work in other countries to help people trying to get in touch with practitioners in India. So whether from within India or abroad, you can connect with our clinic directly and without any hassles. Our team greatly values this trust of patients worldwide and is committed to providing the best prices. We do not have a separate price list for Indian and international clients. Hence, our website is the means for us to reach out to the patients everywhere. This has helped us in creating a large international base with more than 150 patients per year. So wherever you're located in the world, pick up the phone to contact us or visit our website so that you can be assured of committed response and service from one of the most trusted and reputed names in plastic surgery.